Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone on Dota 2. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To invite someone to your Dota 2 game, from the main homepage, click on one of your friends from the list. If you don't have a friend added on your account, click on this plus button, which indicates as add friend, and enter the friend ID you'd like to add in and click search. Once you find the friend you'd like to add, you can click on this add friend button and click on add friend again. If you'd like to invite them on a game, click on this plus button that says invite to party. Once they accept your invitation, they'll be able to join in with you on the game. Once they join in, click on play button in order to start the game. That is how you can easily invite someone in Dota 2. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.